Hi children, Teacher Mike here. It's good to see you. I hope it's good to see me. In this video, I'm going to show you pictures of the kangaroo paw. So this is going to be our plant of the week, and it's called kangaroo paw. Kangaroo paw. So this plant comes from Australia, and kangaroos are endemic to Australia. That means they're only from Australia. And the kangaroo plant is also endemic to Australia. When I say kangaroo paw, you're probably thinking, hey, that's the part of a kangaroo, which is a mammal. It's not a plant. So let me show you some pictures, okay? I'm going to make my video smaller. There we go. Here's a kangaroo paw. Oh, wait, that's a mammal's paw. That is what a kangaroo's paw looks like. The animal kangaroo, that's what their paw looks like. Let me show you a different picture. Oh, we got another kangaroo paw. That is an actual kangaroo's paw. So it's another animal. You can see it has these fingers on it and the nails. They're kind of similar to a human hand because there's 5 different fingers and they have nails on the end, but they're different than our hands definitely because they don't have an opposable thumb like we do, and their nails are much longer and bigger and thicker. Let me find this kangaroo paw plant. Let me change this picture again. Oh, that's another picture of a kangaroo, the animal. That's another hand from the animal. Let me change it again. Oh my goodness. That's one more. So this is a picture of a kangaroo's paw next to a human's hand. So you can see that their paws are almost as big as our hands. So their paws are pretty big. So those are all pictures of the animal kangaroo's paw. Let me try another picture. Here we go. This is a picture of the kangaroo paw plant. So these are the flowers of the plant, and the scientist, the botanist. So a botanist is a scientist who studies plants. And the first botanist to study this plant and write it down and describe it decided to name it the kangaroo paw. So scientists who study things, if they find something new that hasn't been written down and they're the first person to write it down, they get to name it. So whoever found this one named it kangaroo paw after the kangaroo's hand because it looks like the kangaroo's hand kind of. Let me show you another picture. So here's what the whole plant looks like. There's on the right, we have this orange kangaroo paws, and you can see, so there's long, thin leaves on the bottom, and then they have these stems that shoot up, and the kangaroo paw flowers are at the top. Let me show you another picture. This is zoomed up, so this shows you what the kangaroo paw looks like, and each of these different flower parts looks like a different finger from a kangaroo's paw. Let's look at one more. Here we go. This is a good profile pic. So you can really see how these flowers look like, what these paws look like. So this is just going to be a quick plant of the week video. And the kangaroo paw is a plant, and it's also part of the kangaroo animal. And here's the animal's paw. Let me show you one more time. And here is the plant kangaroo paw. Pretty cool. So that's going to be the end of our video. I just wanted to show you that pretty neat plant and to remind you that when scientists discover new things, they get and write it down for the first time, they get to name it. So if you become a scientist, you could be a botanist and study plants, or you could be a chemist and study chemicals, or you could be any kind of scientist. Every single subject in the world has a scientist about it. Insects are called entomologists. So you could study insects, and if you discovered a new insect, you could name it. So one of the perks of being a scientist is being able to name new things that you write down. So I just wanted to point that out, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Bye-bye.